Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and my name is Seundoestech'nstuff, and today I'll be showing you how to install an ISO image onto a flash drive. So in my last video I showed you how to install Ventoy. A link, a pop-up should show you in that last video. So today I'll be showing you how to put an ISO directly to a USB drive. Now I'm not sure if this works for an external hard disk like I did in the last video, but so I suggest you want to get yourself a flash drive. I'm not sure if it works for a hard disk. If it works for you, you can comment down below. So the first step you want to have in this video, the first step you want to do is you want to open up your Chrome browser or any browser. And open that up, then that should load up. So guys, it's done loading. You want to come up to your search bar and you want to search UltraIso download. So you search UltraIso, it's already here, and click on that, enter, and then it should show up here. So the first, there might be a lot of websites, but you want to click on the up to down link. I might leave a link in the description. I'm not sure. But when you click on that, then it should show you UltraIso EZB systems. You want to scroll down to download 4.9 megabytes. When you click on that, and that will download. Now remember, this is a free. This is like so it'll open up a pop-up. Open up a Windows Explorer pop-up. Then you want to choose where you want to save that to. So for example, I want to save that here, and then that will download. And once you want to wait till it's done, like for me it's done. Then you can either, so you want, if it doesn't show up like this here, some browsers show it up here, and it depends where you're at. But most browsers, you just want to click on Ctrl J, and that'll open up the downloads tab. And click on that. And then do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Should show up. When you click on yes, and then an installer should pop up on how to install. When you click I accept the agreement, you can read this, but that's not, you can read this also, but you don't need that. You want to click on next, and you want to choose where you want to install this. You want to click on next. I've already installed this. We'll like to install that for them. I've already installed it, but you can just click on yes. And click create, then click on yes, install, and then that should extract the files and install. Now it should be done. Now you want to disconnect all of this and click on finish. So now we've installed UltraIso. So now you want to open up your Windows Explorer. You want to choose where your ISO is. Like for example, if you don't have any ISOs, like let's say you want to install Windows 10. So this is how that works. You search Windows download. Then there should be a Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's say like we want to download Windows 11. Let's say you select the disk image. You want to click on select here. It should load up. Windows 11 Multi Edition for 64 devices. You want to click on download now. So it needs to validate your request. So Windows 10, you might have to use an external link, like see Windows 10 download. You might have to use an external link, or once Microsoft shuts down support for Windows 10, I'm not sure those to be I'm not sure Windows 10 will still be by the release of this video. I'm not sure Windows 10 will still be working, but you can still download it from here. Install media, wait, like that. But here is the real thing. And click on download now. And yeah, like that. You want to choose your region, English. Choose choose language. I'm English, United States. Confirm. Then should validate your request. So then you want to click on the 64-bit download, and then it'll open up a file explorer pop-up where you want to save this. And choose where you want to save this, like here, and then it should start downloading. Depending on the speed, I can see I'm doing like a 1 megs per second. It should take 1 hour depending on your speed, but I already have this downloaded, so I don't need this. So now you wanna come to where that's downloaded. Like for me, I saved it in Seundoestech'nstuff. Then you wanna choose. Then like let's say but that was just a demonstration. You don't have to install Windows. Like let's say I wanted to install Android on my system. I right click it, I click on open. If it doesn't show this UltraIso window, it won't show this, will just show open. Do you want to click on open with UltraIso Premium? Then to show, do you want to open this file, and click on open, and then you choose register now. This one, click continue to trial, and then this should pop up. When it comes to bootable, these are just the actions you can do. You can see what's inside to the disk image. So that's way off topic. We want to come to write disk image, and to show you don't allow this app to make change to your device. When you click on yes, then this now will show you this write this image. So here you want to select your USB drive. Like for me, it's a 16 gig flash drive. You wanna choose your write method. Leave it on the normal write method. But then you can either format this, and remember, this will wipe out all the data on your USB drive. So make sure you back it up. Like here I have an instance of Ubuntu, and I don't need that anymore. But make sure if you have 1000 USB drive, make sure you back it up. So you want to write on. You can either choose format. Let's format it first. You can rename this to USB drive. You can click. You want to choose quick format. Leave it at 532. That's the file system. Leave it at 16. Then you click on start. Warning: from this will erase all data under this. Make sure you back it up, guys. Okay. Yes. And now it should format it. Now if it shows any errors, here there's no errors. If it shows any errors, you can just write the disk image like that from there. And if it doesn't write it, you want to get another USB drive, because that means that USB drive is corrupted. And I'll show another video on how to format or wipe out a full USB drive. So now you wanna click on write. Now warning: all data on this drive will be lost. Remember, back up your files. Click on yes, and then it should start writing. And once it's done, it'll take time depending on the speeds. Like this will take, so it'll work depending on your speed of your device. So once it's done, I'll get back to you guys. So guys, the burn has been successful. It has shown burn successful. Now for you guys, if it doesn't show, if it shows like an error, just rewrite it. And if it still shows the error, format the disk. And like I said, if it doesn't format, you want to get a new USB drive. So now you can close this up. You can close this, and now when you come to your file explorer, it shows the disk. It shows all the properties that has been installed. And yeah, you've successfully installed an operating system on your USB drive. So once I get a camera, I'll show you how to boot up an operating system and install it. So Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.